Good evening, everyone. This is Eric with His and Hers Hobby Headquarters, coming to you with another snippet. Don't mind the clutter. I am busy on that Jeep build, and so far I'm really impressed with this. But that's not what we're here to cover. Today we're going to cover an homage or a tribute. You will find a lot of videos online, model videos doing tribute builds or buddy builds, something like that. I'm going to do more of an homage. And since it's just me at the moment, my homage is going to be something personal. First off, or first up, is this 1959 Ford Galaxie Skips Fiesta Drive-In Series. It's in 1/25th scale. It's from Revell. The reason why I have this kit is my mother, many years ago, had this kit. I don't recall she ever finished it. But she had this kit, and she, of course, she passed away 10 years ago. So I found this, and I had mentioned it, that I really wanted to get a hold of this and actually finish it for my mother. And the kids were paying attention, and I got this for Christmas. So this is going to be an homage. For my mother, I'm going to do this. I'm going to build it up nice and neat just for her. Second homage is this truck. Thank you to Round 2 and AutoWorldStore.com. They supply this. I also got this for Christmas. This is the 1972 Chevy Fleet Side pickup. As you can see, it's all Coca-Cola livery on it, but I'm not going to go there. My mother had actually built a kit, and I want to say it was the 72. It could have been the 69, but I'm pretty sure it was the 72 Chevy Fleet Side pickup, but it had a cap, a topper on it. Really neat cab over topper. She put an actual bed inside the bed and all of that. It was really neat. Well, I'm going to recreate it to the best of my memory, which really kind of sucks. This whole mild traumatic brain injury thing sucks. But I'm going to try and recreate that truck with this kit. I'll save all the Coca-Cola stuff for later, and the vending machine that comes in it, I will save it for later. This truck will be an homage to something my mother had done. So I'm going to do my level best to recreate that truck. Third homage is something I don't have yet. One of these days I'll be able to afford to get it. There are 2 specific model kits from Mobius provided through Round 2 and AutoWorldStore.com. There are 2 kits, the 1970 Ford F100, I want to say it's Ranger, it's 4x4, and the 1971 F100. The neat thing about Ford, back then, the body styles were the same no matter what size truck it actually was. The 100, the 150, the 250, or the 350. It didn't matter. The only thing that was different was the engine size, your drivetrain, and your suspension. And, of course, the grills. The grills alternated between 1970 and 1974 or 75. I want to say 74. When they finally started going to a standard grill. But you can tell the difference between a 70, 71, and 72. Well, my dad, way back, owned a 1971 F250. It was this god-awful green. But we traveled the country in that. My dad was Navy, and we traveled the country in that thing. We had a slide-in camper. It was an F-250. It had the full 8-foot bed. What I want to do is I have to kit bash those two kits, the 70 and the 71, because the 70 has the right size engine in it, and the 71 has the right grill / body. So I need to kit bash those in order to do this. Then I'm going to recreate my dad's green truck. It was this god-awful Ford green. But God, I remember this thing. It was really great. And I'm also going to scratch build, because I feel my experience and knowledge has gotten to such that point. I'm going to scratch build the slide-in camper that that my dad had. It's going to be my dad's truck, the big iron push bumper, everything. So this has been an homage collection. We're discussing what we're going to do as an homage. And of course, look for those. Eventually, I will get to them as videos. But until then, thank you for joining me here at His&Hers Hobby Headquarters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to comment. And head on over to Facebook and follow us over there, where we post update photos and give updates for when videos are coming out. Until then, see you soon.